Once, when Buddha came to teach his disciples, he was carrying a beautiful silk handkerchief in his hands. The disciples were waiting, and as they saw him walking towards them, they were surprised to see such an article in Buddha's hand, as it was most unusual. When Buddha addressed the gathering, he asked, "What do you see?" And they said, "A beautiful silken handkerchief." Then slowly Buddha started to put knots on the handkerchief, one after another, until he put 5 knots. Then he asked whether it is the same handkerchief. His disciples answered that it is the same handkerchief, yet different, as it is now in knots. Buddha said, "This is what I want you to understand. You all are Buddha, but you cannot see the fine silken fabric because you are in knots. I am like the same handkerchief, but without knots." Then he went on to pull the handkerchief from both sides and asked whether the knots would open this way. The disciples spoke in unison, saying that this way the knots will tighten and become more difficult to open. Then Buddha asked, "Why do you then try to open your knots by pulling?" He continued, "While your intention in doing so is good, your very doing is the undoing. It is trying too hard, taking too much trouble. You are making it more complicated." Buddha further asked that if he needed to open these knots, what was needed to be done? A monk answered that he would come close, observe, and try to understand how the knots were formed. And if one saw how they were formed, one would be able to undo them. At this answer, Buddha said, "That is right," and ended the sermon saying that, "This is all I wanted to teach. You need to meditate upon your own knots." We all have our knots, our difficulties, and we perpetually try to solve them in the same manner for years. And instead of getting a solution, we keep complicating, tightening the knots. So take a step back and apply mindfulness. This helps us to slow down. We get silent. We let the noise in our mind settle, and we start to observe. We are gentle and patient with ourselves. We rest our assumptions about what is problematic and why it is so. Instead of thinking and fixing, simply create acceptance and just try noticing. With such gentle and kind focus, we start seeing the nature of our inner knots. With real understanding, they start to loosen up.